cookie cuddles. And we have little hearts.
And more pom-poms.
The pink pom-pom.
Yeah.
And let's get started.
Yeah.
But I have to think out.
First we have to get this out.
And now we're gonna
Let's put a sand.
Napkin time. It's a nice sand.
Well, this is cool.
And to make this together. Can we?
Get that bag out.
The box.
That's the last strip of sand.
And put that in.
Ooh, let's open in. Weird little hearts. They look so pretty.
And we're tots.
I'm gonna put lots of them. They're so cute.
And then when we use them,
Should I put all? These look like adorable.
that feels so cute.
Pretty little ones. Oh, like little tiny babies.
Yeah. And we are doing some stuff.
So weird.
Right now, we're going to do some stuff.
Oh, that looks cool. Let's place them in. Place them in so it can be like fancy. This one kind of blends in with the sand.
We're
gonna do some wooden hearts.
going to do some
We'll do
pink
a
pom-poms.
design. So we are gonna do more of these little red hearts because they look so cute. Not too many. Ah! That's okay. They all cute anyways. Let's put a little back. Oh, that's cute. Hope this is enough stuff for all the sand. It has to be right. It's a lot. This is like.
Now we make it together.
Sand. It looks so cool. Ah, little hearts are on it.
And what can we put together? Then we mix it together.
When you let go, it does like melt.
And what else we going to put in it?
Big hearts. They're like wooden big hearts. This. I'm wondering if you can paint the wooden ones. Is that even true? This big one right here can go like there. These all look so cute. The wooden ones, I'm still wondering if you could paint. Looks so cute. This big wood one looks cute too. Put it right there next to the pink. And
And now we are doing these little hearts.
you know, I got literally
Now
this
car.
Mom!
Pink
Look at rain! So cute! It's covering everything. But I don't care. So cute! Look! I'm gonna keep on mixing this. And look at this sand with these holes. It's literally
Now we're not doing some
at all.
pom-poms.
We also have lots of pink pom-poms here. Also look cute. We are doing, these look like mermaids.
And now we are doing some stuff.
We're doing a few of these.
But I don't think I'm
Right
doing
there.
it.
Stop it!
That's how I do.
It's so cute. This is the most nicest sand I ever made. It looks so cute. You put it all day. There was like so much stuff you can barely even see the sand. But it looks so cute.
And pink.
Yeah, you can see the sand. It does this last stuff in it.
Duh.
Wee! You look so satisfying.
Woo. So fun.
Wooden hearts.
And now we're doing some popcorn.
Few more pom-poms. There's Sandy. I want to put
The popcorn in there.
Zion. These wooden hearts are all so beautiful. I'm putting them all in. I mean, literally. These wooden hearts are a master to me. I mean, look how cute these look. Every single red heart. Well, they're also like little glitters in here. red hearts inside the slime. Yeah, I mean sand. They get those mixed up. There's like so much stuff in here. But okay. I love this part. This, I mean sand. I feel like getting those mixed up. It has like all cute hearts and everything. Now we look in the door. Is this a clam? I don't know what this cookie color is. But I'm gonna look at it anyways. Do I need a little focus? Get the pom-poms out of my space. So cute. These have strings. This looks so cool. Bing bong, bing bong. Yeah. Put it. Maybe I'll leave the pom poms in now. Yeah. Oh, hot. This slime is, this sand is amazing. Look at all these
Really amazing.
beautiful decorations. Now that we showed you how to make a sensory bin, we're gonna be opening prize balloons. Balloons. So let's get started. Okay. Oh, like all standing. It's like a globe. It's a straw. It's like a great slushy or something. So yum! Oh, bad. This looks fun. I have a two. That's so funny. Oh, this looks so cute! I've got one that looks like a cupcake. And it's a lamb. I got this one. It has that pink hair. And I got the gold. Squish. It's squishy. I got the gold. See? Wing. It's a little squishy. It kind of looks like cupcake on the bottom. Not that squishy. Hose looks like a blue bunny with purple hair. Oh, and mine has blue bows and Zion has a little yellow bow. Oh, I think this is the instruction thing. How did you find that? Oh, it's one too. Don't ask mine then. Don't ask mine. You see you guys? You see you? Oh, here? Does that mean that she's an ultra rare or something? Don't see her yet. Oh, this is cute and squishy. Yeah, I think I see her. Ew. Actually, I don't know. This is who I got. Oh, his eyes can't squish. It says the eyes are the most squishiest part.
Yeah, I'm not mine.
It's so hard to squish these, but it's funny.
Mine's not that good.
Has to be like another page or something.
I think I can do
They
something.
got ultra rare, and I didn't notice. Cause I can't see Marco yet. Maybe they got ultra rare. Maybe the ones that on there is an ultra rare.
What? I found out the thing.
Oh, I found it.
Now look, I can go out the thing. Now look, I can go out the thing.
Oh,
I can go out it. I can go out.
oh. Wait,
right here.
He's right there. And you want to see
And hold right here.
So now that we showed you how to make this sensory Valentine sand, and we opened these toys, though, I guess it's the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe.
Like you like
watching.
and like you like